Hello WordPress League, I'm Gobinda back again with another episode. This time I'm not reviewing any plugin. I'm not giving a shout out to any deal or any Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal. This time I'm here with a problem solving solution. If you are in a problem then of getting back to the normal mode of WordPress from your messy mode of your current WordPress site. Exactly what I am saying. If you want to get back to the default WordPress installation setup, rather than the current setup of your messy WordPress site, I have a solution for you. There are two type of solutions are available in best two type of solutions are available in the market, but first one will be the great one. I will definitely share this one, and after that later on I will show how you can do that, and in the last steps I will show the second option, how we can how we can use with that option. And definitely these are for the non-tech guys, those who are currently having problem and do mess up with with their site. I always do that because I like to test several plugins, so I mess up my site with every time, and I am very much in need to get back to the normal mode or default mode of a fresh installation mode of a WordPress site. So if you are in my stage, or if you're facing that type of problem, so that you messed up to your site with your site by testing several plugins and several themes, or testing or using several elements and several instruments, several tools to get the better results, but unfortunately you messed up with your site settings and crashed everything. So you have to go back to the normal mode, the zero and the default mode of as a fresh installed WordPress site, and go back to the WP reset mode. Then what should you do? You may be hard, you may be tried so many things, deleting all plugins, deleting all media files, but all those things are so much time consuming. But I have a solution for you. If you are new in the WordPress community, then this will help you a bit, because when I was new, then I always tried several plugins, which plugin is best suited for me, and I will do. And definitely if you are testing anything, you should do it on your local environment, local setup. Don't test anything in the live environment on live site. Don't mess up with your live site if you already have a clean and crystal clear site for your own. I learned that things from having a problem on my site, so I'm suggesting please don't do that. People always say that, but there is a problem. Some people don't want to follow the lead, but they do when they are in a problem or facing the same problem. I am that type of person. I always do experiment in my fresh in my live site, and that's why I sometimes I need to get back, roll back to the previous version or roll back to the default WordPress version so that I can build from the from the scratch again. So before doing anything, there is another recommendation. Please keep backup of your site, so that you won't lose any data from your site, any important data. Maybe you are not in need in this time, but you will need in the later on in future, or maybe later. A database backup or your backup site will help your back. So my dear friend, I'm not taking too much time in gossiping with you. So let's jump back to the solution. Here is my local test environment. This is the jitter of the local site. You can see in the left side panel, so many plugins are installed. I have tested so many plugins for different purposes, to test every plugin. In the plugin section you can check, there are lots of plugin I have installed, so it becomes so much messy. I want to get back to the fresh installed WordPress site. So I don't want this type, all these things, I want to reset everything. What should I do? There is a very simple solution I will share with you. Before doing that, I will show the all what type of things I have in this site. I have several posts, I have several pages I have created for my testing purposes. What is the pages? This is the pages, all pages. You can see the all pages here. This is not the default pages. So I will give you share you a solution of that problem. If you want to get back to the normal mode or the default mode of your WordPress installation, there is a plugin called WP Reset. This is the plugin, the WP Reset, created by the Web Factory Limited. They are a genius. They made a great tool to roll back to the default WordPress setup and also have an exclusive features of them. I will definitely show that. It will also help you to save your back, and this WP Reset plugin will solve the problem. You can easily go back to the normal mode or default mode of your WordPress installations site. Let's don't talk anymore, just jump to the result. This is the plugin. I am just type reset. You can more specify in the searching things. I want to just, this is the plugin WP Reset. Check the logo and the name, WP Reset. Install this plugin. I am installing this plugin. Maybe it will take time because I am on my local host. So sorry, I want to if you are in a hurry, just there is option in the YouTube, you can make it faster to check this type of, I don't make it faster, I don't edit anything. So if you want to make the things fast, you can speed up the video tempo. I'm just kidding. Already I have installed this plugin, and it will show you a prompt and notification and toolbar. It will redirect to the settings page where you will get the settings of the WP Reset. Normally I will like to share where you will get the settings, from where you will get the settings from here. Check the WP Reset. If you have lots of plugin in your website, just hit the find button, Control F of your browser or Command F of your browser, type reset. It will show redirect to that section. It will go from here also, or if you forget anything, it will go from here. It will be available. The settings is available on the tools sections. In your left sidebar menu, in the tool section, you will get the WP Reset menu. I am going to that. I'm going through that navigation. It will show that there is a promotion for the new plugin WP Reset, and I will show what type of things are available. This is the first look of this plugin. You will get it will redirect to the tool page. I will show you from the first tab of this WP Reset plugin. Here is a comparison what they have in pro and free. If you want to reset, which I have shared, you will go back to the default mode of your WordPress installation. Then this section will help you. I will get back to this section. Then now go to the tool section. You can use all of this tool. These which are mentioned the pro, then you need the pro version of this plugin. Which are not, then you will get them all in the free version. If you want to delete all your themes, delete all your plugins, you can use it. There is a great option of snapshot. Snapshot means you can take a current stage backup of your website. I will definitely recommend this to use this section because it will save your back. It will just like a undo mode. You can just if you want to reset that of your website in a fresh install WordPress website, but if you want to get back to the previous version of your website, then the snapshot will help you to get back to the section. It will just like a command Z and command Control Z and control, it's undo mode and redo mode, actually Control Shift G, and definitely this will help you to get the on current stage of your messy website. So why should we need this? Most of the time, I previously said, we do lots of testing on our site, on our testing web environment. So we sometimes we need to test some plugin or themes in a fresh install WordPress site. So in that case we can use it. Or if you have done so many if you messed up your website, if you want to kick start or freshly start or start from scratch, then this reset tool will help you in that case. Before doing this, keep in mind, always take a backup of your website. If you don't have that idea, just create a snapshot only. How you can create a snapshot is so much easy. It will keep the current stage as the same. I just name it as a test snap, as I am creating a test snap. It will not take that much time. Just within a few seconds it will be created. That's not created, and it will automatically refresh, and it will get information here what you have done. This is the snapshot you have made. This is the 3.8 MB size. It will take your database, but it will save your back. There is a lots of option. You can download the snapshot on your local site, on your local environment, local storage. You can delete the snapshot, and these are the pro version of their Google Drive. You can save it to your Google Drive. Why you need the pro version? Download, if you want to keep that, then download this and upload it by manually. But help the if you don't have that much time, then use this tool and restore the snapshot. This is the option which can help you to redo or back to the main messy options, or back to the current stage of your site. Now I have created a snapshot. Now I have a backup for my site. I want to reset the tool, and before getting that, there is a collection. There is so many things. What do you will get simple authors and other things what they have done in the support forum. You will get all the information and pro features. What will be the pro feature you will get, how you can buy. They have a promotion on their site. If you want to buy them, then you can definitely use it, and how you can activate the pro version. These are all available for here, but I am not here for sharing the promotion. I'm here for solving a problem. So now I want to get a freshly installed WordPress site. So what should I do? Jump in the tab of the reset. This is the reset button. Their UI is not so good, but it's okay. Here is a 3 checkbox option. If you want to reactivate the current theme, I have a Hello Elementor theme. Please check it. I have activate my appearance. If you want to check it, I will show you the themes now. My current theme is Hello Elementor theme. See, I have activated this theme. Okay, it's shown. It's already shared here. If you want to reactivate the theme, then you should check this. If you don't want to do that, then just don't check it. If you want to reactivate the WP reset plugin, then if it's by default by checked. I always keep that check. I want to reactivate. If you want to reactivate all the current plugin what I have installed, you may not see how many plugin I have installed on my site currently, but I don't want to reactivate them again. I am just sharing the screen. I have 21 active plugin I have installed on my site currently, so I don't want to reactivate them. So I don't as I have a plan to reset all the things, so I don't check these settings. If you have any plan to, if you have a less plugin, so if you want to reactivate this thing by checking this thing. Before doing this, they always say to create a snapshot. We are genius. We have already created a snapshot, so we have nothing to lose now. Just type reset. This is the safety purpose. There is no button. You have to type manually reset, or you just copy and paste it. It's up to you, but my personal opinion is just type it and hit the reset site. They will give you another prompt for the safety purpose. If you're doing it by your own concern or not, it will get back to the newborn baby site. I'm just kidding. It's a freshly WordPress site. I'm on the process. It just take a few seconds to get back to the freshly installed WordPress site. Hola, maybe it's done. Yes, it's done. See, there is no other menu options of other plugins, but still all the plugins are in a deactivated mode, except as I have checked. To dismiss, as I have checked, WP reset button plugin must be in active mode. If you want to now let's check all the pages what I have created. There is only the 2 pages of default WordPress privacy policy and simple page, and you will get the only post, the hello world, oh the great post, and you will get the only comments by the WP Wapu. So I have the all things on my that was freshly installed WordPress. I got the freshly installed WordPress site. If you want to delete the all plugin, you can delete by manually by selecting here and hit the delete button, or as I have the WP reset plugin installed on my site, there is a tool. You can use that tool to delete your all plugin and themes. If I click the button, this will delete all the plugins. From this section you can delete all the plugins. Obviously doesn't make any file backups, so there is no undo. See, if you delete all the plugins, you will lost everything. So before doing that, take a backup of your site. Okay, this is the WP resets, the reset mode high. This is how I have reset my site. You have already see all the I forgot to share which theme I have now. Don't be surprised, I have the 2020 theme. They reset all the thing. I have now the 2020 theme on my site and it's activated. Previously I shared I have the Hello theme of Elementor. So my dear friend, I have reset my site. Now I have changed my mind. I want to sorry, I can go from here. I want to roll back to the previous version. I want to undo. I do the mistake. I want to undo this my fault, my mistake, what I have done, or I need to roll back to this section. So what should I do? Just go to the snapshot and restart the snapshot. Just hit the reset the snapshot. It will take a few seconds. It will automatically refresh. I don't click the OK button. It automatically refreshed and get back to the login mode. This is my local site, so I am using the very low password. Please don't do it. Don't do this for your live site. Use a strong password so that no one can hack it or no one can try to brute force your website. So this is the precaution for you. So you can check all the plugins are now available. All the plugins menus are available, and you can now I say check the pages. See, all the pages are now on my site. All the posts which I have taken a snapshot, all the blog posts, and more interestingly the snapshot reactivated my Hello Elementor theme. See, this is the Hello Elementor theme is now activated. So this is how easily you can reset your WordPress site from a messy site to a currently fresh installed WordPress site, or you can roll back to your previous version of your WordPress site with the help of WP Reset plugin. This is so amazing tool. If you are in need this type of solution, this is a great plugin. My dear friends, this is the best option I found, and you can do it by your own self. For those people, those who are like a non-techie like me, they are always seeking for plugins to help to solve their problem. This plugin, WP Reset plugin, will solve your problem. If you are in a problem of if you want to go back to your default WordPress site without taking any hassle, then WP Reset will be the best option. But now I have another tool to share with you. Here is my another local site, TestDB. Check the name. I just create the site for you to share you. I want to show here I don't have that much post and page. These are freshly installed, but I have too many plugins I have installed to share with you what can be done with the latest plugin. I have so many plugins now on my site, so I want to reset this site also. In that case, I want to reset my database too, and to clean my database. I don't want the backup options and other things. So my dear friend, I want to remind you, if you are totally new and you don't have any backup of your website, please do take backup of your website. You can do backup with several packages. There is a Updraft Plus backup plugin, WP Vivid, their free version. You can easily take backup for your website. I will show you it later in this video. Definitely this will save your back. So before reading, there is another plugin. I'm retyping the reset button, and the database will delete, and definitely you can't undo like the WP Reset plugin. This is the Unis JFR's advanced WordPress reset plugin. This will reset and restore your WordPress database back to its first and original status. That means it will get back to the freshly baby WordPress site. If you don't want to roll back anything and you don't need anything, just install this plugin and activate this plugin, and the process is same. Just click the settings. The settings will be available in the tool section, advanced WP Reset. There, go to that section. Process is the same. Type reset. I already reset. I said I don't type it again. I am so much lazy. In that case, I use the autofill button. My dear friend, there is only warning. The reset makes the fresh installation of your database. There is any data that will be lost. So do not use this option if you want to keep your post and pages. That means the post and pages will be deleted. So there is no option like WP Reset. Be careful about this plugin. Before doing anything, take a backup. I am resetting all the things, and I just hit the button. They will give you a prompt, but they will not delete your plugins. They will just deactivate the plugins. That's the best thing. And after doing that, they will do the same thing what the WP Reset do. That they will redirect to a login page, and it will force you to log in you again, and all the plugins are in a deactivate mode. If you want to deactivate anything, now you can deactivate these. But I want to share something with you. There is a plugin Updraft Plus. Before doing anything, I just want to share how you can save your back to keep your database. This plugin is very easily. Before doing this, I want to show how you can where you will get the Updraft Plus. I am very much fond of this tool. This will give you a free Google Drive syncing option. So if you are in a hurry mood, if you don't want to spend Updraft, maybe my spelling is correct, for the tool, type the updraft. This is already activated. I have this plugin. I want to share the details something with you. This is the plugin. Actually, this plugin will help you to keep your database on a remote stage or on your local site, local storage. I love this tool because it will help you to get the access to your Google Drive. It will help you to save your database on your Google Drive. That's why I am loving this tool for free. This is a free version of the Updraft Plus. So go to the settings. Before resetting anything, just install this plugin and take a backup, including allow the backup and delete manually. It's up to you. Just hit the backup. It will not take that much time. It will create a zip file, and sorry it takes time because I have so many plugins and so many data on my site. So in that case, they have backup is finishing, it's running, has been finished. Okay, download the most modified log. You can this database is ready. Now there is option restore, delete, and uploads and others. Click the others. Download to your computer or download to yours. If you have if you want to download this backup on your local storage, my suggestion will be that if you are in hurry, then you can download the backup on your website, just save it, and keep in mind what you have done. It's very easy. You just click the if you want to roll back to that site, just install the Update Plus plugin and upload the migrate and clone. This is the premium version. Settings. From that section, you will sync your database to those. These are so great. They are giving you the Dropbox and Google Drive, automatic Microsoft OneDrive. You can choose any one icon and to set your remote database backup for your website. This is so cool, nah? I just loved it. And so my dear friend, if you have in plan to get this type of tool, so why shouldn't you use this backup tool? This is the backup and restore option, and if you want to restore, then you can restore it from here. And if you want to what I have is upload, you can see the button of upload backup files. This will help you. What I have just download, just put it here, and this upload button is already available here. Just restore it, and you can delete it manually. So my dear friends, this is the backup process by using the Update Plus. So I have shared all the process how you can get back from a messy site to a normal default WordPress, freshly installed WordPress site by using WP Reset. Also by using their snapshot option, but snapshot feature to roll back to the current stage of your messy site or testing environment. I just say if you are a tester or if you like to test your plugin for several sections, use the WP reset snapshots as blessings. I use it for my create several snapshots, like if you want to test your environment with the WooCommerce setup. If you have a WooCommerce plugin, if you want to test is it working great with the WooCommerce setup, then install your WooCommerce environment and take a snapshot of WooCommerce and give it the name of WooCommerce and restore the button settings of WooCommerce and test upload the plugin and test this plugin, is it okay or not. It will help you a lot. If you have a plugin for BuddyPress, if you want to test only with the BuddyPress, then install this plugin and take a snapshot and use this test your BuddyPress plugin add-on with the BuddyPress, and then you can do it. If you have Elementor add-on, if you want to test with your conflicting issue with your competitor or other add-ons or other conflict with the Elementor only, then create a snapshot of Elementor by giving a name and with installing all the Elementor add-ons, and then test it to that version, so that you don't need to create several sites for several testing environment. Snapshot will help you in that case. I personally use this method to test several plugins, as I am loving in testing tools, WordPress plugins for my own learning purpose. This is kind of my hobby. So if you have this kind of hobby or you are in job of a tester, you don't need to create several local hosts. You just use WP Reset plugin, take several snapshots so that you can roll back to that snapshot and use your plugin and get back to the zero, or reset back to the zero, or get back to the your desired snapshot section. So this is all about how you can get back to the normal mode, zero install or freshly install, or a WordPress backup mode, or you can roll back to your current mode of your WordPress site by the help of WP Reset plugin. I have also shared another WordPress database advanced WordPress database reset plugin. Also, I have shared how you can take backup free backup for free with the help of Updraft Plus plugin, without spending a penny. And Updraft Plus, I will give, if you want to take get a full review on that tool, then I will definitely give you that. Before doing anything, I said several times, please keep backup of your website and test everything. And my personal suggestion will be that create your staging site or create your own local host to test everything. Don't mess up with your live site. I learned from my errors and my failures. I always do testing on my live site. This is my github.com. I have several issues while I have created. I messed up with so many things, so I have to recreate the thing from the ground. It take too much time, so don't waste your time. Spend your time in the quality section. Create a local host. WP Flywheel has a local client. It's very easy to create. I will show you in some other video how you can use the Flywheel localhost setup to create your local environment so easily. It's a very much easy to set up a localhost setup for your own sake. And that's all about for now. Now you have learned how you can roll back to a freshly installed WordPress website without losing your data. And now you have the idea, and now you get the idea how you can take a backup of your WordPress website by using a free tool. Also, you can manage automatic backup with a free tool and save it to a local remote sections with the help of Updraft Plus plugin. And these tools are the life-saving tools. So my dear friend, if you like my tutorials, and if my tutorials solve your problem, then it will be a pleasure for me. And if you are in a problem, then do a comment on my video, then I will try to sort out the solution, and I will keep post on it, and I will knock you if you allow me to do that after finding a great solution for you. If I don't have the knowledge, I will talk with my community. I have a little bit engagement with the community members. They are so much helpful. I will talk with them to find a great solution for you. This is a give and take process. So if you like my tutorials, please do comments and inspire me, and share your problems with me. I will try my best to give you a solution in a right way. I'm not a coder guy. I will definitely find the easy solution for you. I will try to find the easy solution for you. This is all about for today. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for staying me long. If you don't like to watch the lengthy videos, just there is another option in the YouTube. You can speed up the tempo of the video so you can get all information, and I will share all the plugin information in my description. Check the description on the if you need the specific plugin. So this is all about for now. I do believe you get the answer how you can roll back to the freshly installed WordPress website from your messy WordPress website, and how you can back up your website so easily. So this is all about for today. I will come back again with another episode, with another tutorial or another plugin review or another shout out for the deals. So if you have any plan or if you have any problem, please share with me in the comment box. I will definitely jump in and try to give you a solution, and if you need a video or tutorial, then I will definitely do that for you. So my dear friends, this is Gobinda signing out for now. And if you are a marketer or plugin author or a theme author, if you want to like to check, give me a chance to check your plugin or theme and give you a free review or free suggestion to improve your plugin, then I will be happy to do that, because I love to check plugins. So if my suggestion will help you, then it will be a pleasure for me. I don't anything from you, even though I don't sign up for affiliate programs. So if you need in I'll be available on Twitter all the time. My Twitter DM always open. Just keep just give a message on my DM on my Twitter inbox. I will definitely get back to you. And if you want to share your problem with me, then you are always welcome. I will try my best to give you a solution. I'm not that much techie person, as I have shared, so I will give you a very easy solution which will be helpful for you as well as and for others. And thank you for staying with me. If you like my tutorial, then keep the thumbs up button for me. Tata for now. I'm Gobinda signing out. Take care. Bye bye WordPress League. See you in the next video with the tutorial or any other type of WordPress related video. Thank you for watching me again. Bye bye.